fantastic day today at Art in the Outdoors. We've had amazing street art with Jess Tobin, life drawing with Egrain Bright, who's our amazing life model. We have making paper craft from crowns to fans to creatures. We've superb screen printing with Angie Chan, and also embossed printmaking with Janine Davidson. All our amazing artists have been fabulous. We have pop-up art installations as well about what the outdoors means to you. And we've lovely quiet and sensory spaces as well, just for people who want maybe a little bit of time out. With Art in the Outdoors, we're so excited to be connecting with all of our communities and bringing all that the Hugh Lane has to offer out onto the street and to the city as well, making the gallery more permeable. It's a lot of fun, it's for all ages, and we hope that everybody has had a great day.